Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Let me share my screen. Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What we have discussed guys previously. Previously we have discussed about OOPS concepts. How many types is there guys in OOPS? We are having four types. One is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. How many? We are having four types. Okay. Coming to inheritance, how many types is there guys? Two types. One is single level inheritance, and coming to second one is the multi-level inheritance. Okay, polymorphism. How many types is there? We are
Two
having
types.
two types. One is method overloading, and coming to second
Method
one is
overriding.
overriding. Okay, coming to abstraction. Okay, we are having only one type. Okay, what is meant by abstraction? Process of
A
hiding
class
the
is
data.
declared with the
Okay,
abstract class.
we and it is going to
Process hiding.
hide the data. Okay, it is going to hide the data. Coming to encapsulation is nothing but it is going to bind the data. Okay, that is nothing but encapsulation. We have seen each and everything. Now previously we have done one small mistake, not mistake. Okay, we have not added here system dot out dot println. Okay, so that's the reason output is not kept. Okay, to get my output obj dot get age. If you want to print my name, you just print name. Okay, if you run here it will run. Not an issue. I have not kept your output message, so that's the reason output has been not kept. Okay, here I am going to do one more object, system dot out dot println of obj dot. If I want to get my name, or how you are going to get guys, what is the object you have created? Get name. Okay, obj dot get name. You want to get a name, you can get a name. Like that, you are going to call. Clear, guys? Guys, understood? Have you remembered this concept? First, by using getter and setter concept. Which concept here? Which concept we have used,
Getter,
guys, for a
getter and setter concept.
setter concept? First, we want to get the data. After that, we want to set the data. Clear? That's it, encapsulation. Okay, now we will go for the arrays. Okay, next we will go for the arrays. Okay, I have sent in the chart, guys. Okay, now we will go for the arrays, most important topic. Okay, coming to arrays. Okay, here array is nothing but a collection of elements. Okay, nothing but a collection of similar elements. Collection of similar elements. Here in this arrays, it is divided into two types. How many types it is divided? It is divided into two types. Okay, first one is single dimensional array, and coming to second one is the multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. How many types it is divided, guys? Arrays, two types. One is single dimensional array, and coming to second one is the multi-dimensional array. First we will go for the single dimensional array. After that we can see multi-dimensional array. Coming to single dimensional array, it is going to store the single list of elements. How many list it is going to store? It stores single list of elements. It stores single list of elements. It is called as which array, guys? To store single list, which array?
Single dimensional array.
Single dimensional array. Okay, it is going to store only single list of information. Single dimensional array. Okay, how to write the programs we'll see now. Okay, here first we have to remember is Here also we need to initialize, guys. Okay, let me explain in the program how you are going to initialize. How to create a class? Yes, have you remembered how to create a class? Right click on the package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay, here I am just writing my class name as single dimensional. Okay, if you want to write more also you can write. Okay, that is your wish. Okay, you can give any name and enable public static void main string arguments and click on finish. Clear, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is going to store a single list. How? First I want to store at a first element, array index is going to start with 0. What is the default index, guys? What is the default index? Okay, it is going to start with a 0. Okay, what is the index? What is the default index? 0. Okay,
0.
okay, okay, you can, first element is 0 I am putting. If I am going to put the second element, you can put the second element as well. Okay, like that. If you want how many elements, you can store like that. These all are the integer values or these are the string values? Guys, these all are the integer values or these are the string values, guys?
String
16,
value.
32, like string values are. See, if there
Integers.
is a any
Integers, sir.
string values, okay, we have to write in a double quotations. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Here that is not a string value. These are the
Integers.
integer values. Okay, to declare integer value, we have to pass a integer. Okay, int of, here which variable I am taking? A variable. Clear? Which variable, guys, I have taken? One of the variable called as A. Okay, so single dimensional means I am mentioning one square bracket here. Okay, I am not passing any multi-dimensional. Why? Because this is a single dimensional array, so I am passing only one square bracket. Clear? Guys, understanding?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, here how many values I have taken? 1 and 2 values. Okay, suppose if I want to take more values also, you can take more values. Int of new, int of, if I want to take 5 values means here I need to pass as 5. Okay, here 5 means how, guys? Can anyone tell? Int of 2 equal to, you can pass another value. Okay, int of 3, int of 3, int of 3, it is going to print the third, sorry, int of 3, it is going to print the third value. Okay, int of 4, it is going to print the another value. Int of 5, it is going to print the another value. Here like that, if I write up to 10 values, it is going to accept, don't accept. Can anyone guess what I have mentioned at top?
Only int 5.
Only 5 values only it have to print. Okay, if I give the sixth value, it is not going to print. Okay, why? Because I have declared here only 5 values. Okay, so if I want to use system.out.println, you can use. Okay, but here one problem is there. Okay, if I want to use system.out.println, how I get, guys? A of array of 0 you are going to get. Okay, array of 0 means what value, guys? What value? Array of 0.
16.
16.
16 will, oh, 1 second. See what it is saying? Index sits out of bound exception. What exception? Array out of bound exception. Why it came array out of bound exception? Here only I have taken 5, but here I have mentioned how many? 6 values.
6.
Okay, here 5, but this one is, it is going to start with 0 onwards. Okay, 0 plus 5, how many?
6.
6. Okay, so that's the reason here our execution is not happening. What is this exception? What exception is coming? This is also very important, guys. Okay, in interviews, what are the different types of exceptions you have faced in your in your project? What are the different types of exceptions you have faced in your project? What is this exception, guys? Array index out of bound exception. What is this one?
Array index out of bound
Out of
exception.
bound exception. Why this exception is coming? Because I have mentioned here 5. Okay, but here I have declared 6 values. Okay, if I remove here 1, our program will execute. If I don't remove, the issue will exit. Clear? Here only one value came, but I don't want one value. I want all 5 values. How I will get? Can anyone? Which loop I need to use, guys, here? Yes or no? Or guys are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Here I am getting only one value. Okay, if I want to get 5 values, I can write 5 output messages. But that is not my requirement. Okay, here how many values will print? 2 values will print, 16 and 32. But I need all 5 values. If there is a 50 values, you are going to write 50 values like that. You
No.
have to use 50 system.out.println. Instead of like that, you can write only one loop, that is called as for loop. What is that one? You can write
For loop.
for loop. What is the for loop? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length. Okay, you don't need to change anything. I plus plus defaultly only it came. Okay, just system dot out dot println. Now where it is stored, guys? This array where it is stored? It is stored one of the element called as I. Where it is stored? From 0 to how much length is there, that much length is going to take. How much length is there, guys, at present?
5.
Okay, from 0 to 5 values it is going to take. Okay, like that, which value I need to declare here? System.out.println, here which value I need to print? Here I need to pass as a 0, or I need to pass at a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, which value I need to pass? I need to pass as a I value. Why? Because each and everything is stored under where? Under I. Clear? Okay, from 0 to 4 values are stored under I value. So that's the reason here I am calling I value. Clear? Run as Java application. Now what output will come, guys? Can anyone?
All the 5.
All 5 outputs will come. Clear? If I want 10, you can give just 10. Here you can pass remaining values. 10 value. 4, just copy. Here I am just writing 5. Here 6. Here 7. 8. Copy and paste it. 9 and 10. Okay. Now it will work or it don't work? Can anyone?
Won't work.
It
Why?
won't work.
Because
11 integers are there.
11 integers are there. Okay. But I have declared only 10. Okay. So here 11 came. What exception will come?
array bound.
Array index out of bound exception. Okay. Why? Because sometimes interviews may ask, guys, okay, what are the different types of exceptions you have faced in your project? Okay. I have faced array index out of bound exception. Okay. I will explain few more, guys. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now if I remove one of the element here, now tell me what output will come?
All the 10 integers value.
All the 10 integer values will come. Clear? All the 10 integer values came. If you want to write, you can write. I will tell in the another way also, guys, how to pass this array. Okay, I will pass in the another way. Okay, once done, please let me know. Understood, guys? Easy. Okay, easy one, arrays. Once it is done, please let me know. I will tell in the another way also. See, oh, sorry, write down. Okay, once done, please let me know. For multi-dimensional arrangements, how you are going to write, guys? Can anyone? Here easy only. Can anyone tell me how to write? Here you need to add one more square bracket and you have to pass it. Clear? Guys, understanding? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You need to pass another square bracket. I will explain. You no need to worry. Once done, please let me know. Is it done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will tell in the another way as well. Okay. How to create a class? Guys, how to create a class? Right,
Right
click
click
on the
on
package,
package.
go to new, under new, create a class. Okay. Single dimensional. This is the second way, guys. Okay. And enabling public static void main and click on finish. See here, instead of writing one by one, it is going to take more time. Yes or no? It is going to take more time. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I will do one shortcut to this. Okay. Same I am copying here. Okay. I am not going to use this way. Okay. I am not going to use this way. Here what I am going to use. Single dimensional means here integer values is there. I am going to store one of the array list. Okay. How many is there? If you want 100 values means you can use 100 values. Okay. You can use 100 values by using comma separator. Okay. By using which separator?
Common.
Yes. By using comma separator, you can use how many values you want. You can use that many values. Clear? Nice. Clear? It is going
Yes,
to
sir.
save the lot of time. It is going to save the lot of time. Yes or no? We no need to write instead of a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 like that. We are not going to write anymore. Okay, we can directly write like this. Okay, this is the another way. Clear? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I have stored under a value. Now each and everything is available under a of I. Okay, if I print now, what output will come, guys? Can anyone? What output will come? What output will come, guys? If I print now. Oh, guys,
All
are you
the
there?
values.
All the values it is going to come. Run as Java application, it is going to print all the values. Clear? What values is there? 18, 23, 24, 45, 67, 676, 23, each and everything. Okay, it is going to print. Okay, what are the values you have written? Those all values we can print like this. Okay, we can save the lot of time here. Okay, we no need to mention this all things. Clear? If you want to get index array out of bound exception means we have to use this one. Clear? We have to mention 5 values or 10 values. Only the 10 values only it is going to allow. Here you can write n number of values. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is the simple one. Okay, if you want to write this one also, you can write. Guys, practice, guys. Okay. Once done, please let me know. We'll go for next one.
Yeah, done, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll go for the multi-dimensional array. What is meant by multi-dimensional array? Can anyone? What is multi-dimensional array, guys? It is going to store only single list of data is called as single dimensional array. Coming to multi-dimensional array is nothing but how many values it is going to store? List of list. Okay, in a list only, it is going to store multiple values. Okay, list within the list. What is that one? It stores list of list elements. That is called as multi-dimensional array. It stores list of list elements. List of it stores list of list elements. Stores list of list elements is called as multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. Okay. Now we'll see the program. How to create a class, guys? Right click on the package. Guys, why no one is responding? Right click on the package, go to new, under new, create a class. Here I am going to write the class name as multi-dimensional. Okay. And enabling public static void main string arguments and click on finish. Okay. Previously, how I have written, guys? Can anyone tell? Array. How I have written, guys? Array.
Int A
Integer
equal to
some a equal to only one square bracket I have used. Why? Because I have used only single list here, but I am going with multi-dimensional. So I am going to use two square brackets. Clear? How many brackets?
2.
Two square brackets. Okay, if single list means I have used one flower bracket. In this flower brackets only I have written some values. But in this only I want to store another list. Yes or no? This is single list. Okay. In this single list only I am going to store another list. Clear? Guys,
Yes, sir.
understanding? Here I am going to store values 1 comma 3. Okay, if I want to store another value also, you can store another value. Okay, how to store? By using square bracket 4 comma 8, like that you can store. Clear, guys? Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I want to use another values means if you are going to use, give some more square bracket and give some values. Clear? In between of this one we have to put some comma. Clear? Now which loop I need to use, guys? Here which loop I need to use here?
For loop.
For loop. How many for loops I need to use? How many for loops I need to use? Here 2 is there. Yes or no? Here 2 is there. Yes or no? Here how many I need to write?
2.
2. Very good. Okay. Here I need to pass two for loops. Okay. One is I value and second one is the I am taking as a j value. If I run with this one, how it is going to work? We'll see. I guess it also have to work. It's not working, I guess. Okay. See, it is. Oh, wait. We have not written an output message. Every time I am going to forget a of I value. Okay. If I give a of I value, what it is going to print, guys? It will print some output, but what value? See what it came? Some undefined values. What it came, guys?
Undefined value.
Undefined values. Okay. Now here I am going to give instead of array of full length, what I am giving here, how many values is there? This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. Yes or no? How many is there?
3 values.
3. If I run now, what output will come? It is same issue. Why? Because we have not used another for loop. Yes or no? We have not used another for loop. So that's the reason like this of issue is coming. Okay, to resolve those issue, we have to use another for loop. What is the for loop? Can anyone tell? For integer, I have used I value. Now I am going to use the j
J
value.
value.
For j values also, how many is there? 1, 2, 3. These all are the I values. These all are the j values. Okay, we are using 2. So yes or no? This is first, second, and this is 3. Here, how many I need to put? Array of length.
3.
Array of length 3 only, na? So, can anyone tell now how to write? System.out.println. Can anyone? System.out.println. How to write? Array of, in first value I need I value, and second value I need j
J
value.
value.
Sir, no, both I need to print. Sir, no, guys. So, run as Java application. What is the exception? What is the another exception? Index array out of bound exception. Why it came index array out of bound exception? Index 2 out of bounds for 2 length. What is the issue? Int I equal to 0. Yeah. Here 0, 1 and 2. Yes or no? What it is starting, guys? Index is going to
0.
start from 0. Yes or no? Here how I give? Here I have given as a 3 values. So that's the reason it thrown an error. Let me pause and see. Run as Java application. See, 1, 3, 4, 8. What is another one? Where went another one? What was the issue? Where went another one? For int I equal to 0. Let me put equal to. Yeah, guys, understood? Okay, I have not put equal to. So that's the reason it is not came. Okay, less than means only it is going to reduce one value. Yes or no? Guys, less than 2 is nothing but only up to 1 only now it is going to print. Hello guys, understanding?
Sir, for J also we should put equals to or
For
not,
j,
sir?
after that there is a no j na. If you put j, what will happen? For j, I don't need na. If you keep also, that is not a problem. Let's see what happened. For j, index array out of bound exception. Okay, just you need to put only I value is enough. Okay, for starting value it is going to recommend. Okay, it is going to loop. Okay, first it is going to loop I value. After that automatically it is going to print less than 2. Okay, it is going to print automatically. Okay, only first one is enough. Okay, not required for second one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Run as Java application. This is a multi for loop. Okay, clear? Yes or no? If I add another value here, okay, if I add another value here, now tell me how many for loops I need to use? How many for loops I need to use, guys? How many? 3 for loops. How many I need to use?
3 for loops.
3 for loops. This is I. What is I? 1, 4, 89. J values 3, 8, and 78. How it is going to take means array of 0, 0. Okay. What are these things? Array of 0, 0, and 0. Okay, now tell me what is the output, guys? 0, 0, 0. What value will come?
1489.
No, only 0 value. Okay, I am going with only 0. 0, I will go with 2 only. Okay, you will confuse as of now. Let me tell. Okay, this is I value. Okay, what is this one? This is 0 0 in consider this is 0 0 0 0 0
Zero.
1. Okay,
One.
1 0 like that. Okay, 0 1. Okay, what is the one value, guys? 0 0 0 1. What is the one value? 3.
Three.
Yes or no? After that, 0 is completed. Okay, 0 array is completed. Now which array? First array. Yes or no? Array of 1 0. Okay, 1 0. What is the 1 0 value?
4.
4. Array of 2, sorry, array of 1
1.
1.
1. Array of 1 1. What value it will become?
8.
8. Okay, if I keep third value here, now here how many will come? 3 will come. 3 zeros. Yes or no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, like that it is going to print. Clear, guys? Okay, as of now we'll go for 2 only. Okay, you will confuse. Clear? If you want to write, you can write Control A, Control C. If you are facing difficulty, you can go with array of 0 0. Okay, like that also you can go. Guys, understood? Hello, guys. If you want to write now array of, you can write manual also. Array of 0 0 0 0 equal to 1. Okay, array of 0 1. Okay, I need this value. Okay, like this also you can write. Clear? That is up to you. Okay, like single dimension array. First one I told na, like this we need to, oh, where is single dimension? Yeah, like this. Okay, instead of 0 0 we need to pass another 0. This value is going to come as a 16. Okay, like that you can write. Okay, that is up to your wish. Okay, this is a simple way. Once done, please let me know. Only few more topics is there, guys. Java, it will be some confusing. Okay, we'll go for next Selenium. Okay, string concepts is there, and one more concept, exception handling. Okay, in strings we are having string buffer and string builder. Okay, and in arrays also we are having two more concepts. Okay, most important for interviews, array list and linked list. Okay, we'll cover those as well. That's it. Okay, Java is enough. After that we will go for WebDriver.
Done, sir.
Okay, done now. Okay, our next concept is array list. Okay, it is also most popular. This is not a core Java related things, but it is most popular for interviews. So that's the reason I am saying, guys. Okay, rare interview questions. Okay, what is the use of array list? Means it is going to store the dynamical arrays. What arrays it is going to store? It is going to store a dynamical arrays. Dynamical arrays to store an elements. Okay, it is going to store an elements as well. Store an elements. Okay, it should not it contains the duplicate elements also. Okay, array list can contains duplicate elements. Duplicate elements we can contain here. Okay, how to create a class? We'll see, guys. What is the use of array list? How to create a class? No one.
Right click on package. Go to new.
One
Create a
second,
class.
guys. One second. I'm getting one call. Just to give me 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Yeah, how to create a class? Right click on the package, go to new, under new, create a class. Here I am going to write as a array list. Previously we have seen integer values. Now we will see the string values. Okay, now we can see the string values. Here in this word only is there. Okay, here I'm just giving some of the example here. Why? Because why I am giving this here example also, I will explain. See, okay, why I am giving like that, I will show. Okay, see, if I want to pass the array list here, array list. Okay, see, are you able to see here? These two are matching together, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, okay, these two are matching together. Okay, at that time we are going to face some exceptions. Okay, some exceptions we will face. Okay, to avoid those exceptions, I am giving just underscore one example. Okay, in real time also like this only you give. Okay, clear? Okay, to avoid issues. Okay, guys, understood? Guys, clear? This is nothing but a one of the import one. Okay, import package. Okay, array list string values. Okay, now which values I am going to tell, guys? String values. Okay, you know how to write the integer values. Now we will see the string values. Guys, understood? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how this looks like, guys? Can anyone tell? This is looks like object. Okay, this is looks like object. Class name, any reference equal to new class name. But here we are not taking the class name. Here this is a array list, one of the element value. Okay, in this array we are going to store the string values. Which values we are going to store? Which values, guys, we are going to add? String values. Okay, how to add? List dot add. Okay, are you able to see string values? Okay, just pass. Here if you want to pass a string values means we have to give in double quotations. Okay, you have to give in double quotations. Like that you can add multiple values. Guys, understanding? Hello, guys, clear? Where this all values is stored, guys? Can anyone? To print an object, okay, how I am going to print? Now I need each and every value. Okay, now which value I need to call? Where it is all stored, guys? Under a list. Okay, just print this list. Oh, what happened? Copy, paste. Okay, now what output will come? What output will come?
All the string values.
All the string values. What are the string values? Rajesh, Narendra, what are the values you have passed? Those values will print here. Okay, previously we have stored integer values. Now we are going to store the array list. Clear? Are you able to see? Rajesh, Narendra, Swapna, Uday, like that it is stored. Clear?
Sir, what is that import java.util.array list?
See, this is a import one. Okay, this is a import. How it is going to come means, okay, just pass array list. Okay, control space bar. What you have to give? Control space bar. This is a import package for that. Okay, if just I will remove this one. Okay, it will automatically will import. Control space bar import. Are you able to see?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, it will automatically import. That is a import package. Clear? Very
Yes,
good for asking. Like that you have to ask. Array list of yeah, very good, guys. Yeah. If you want to write, you can write. If you want to add the integer values also, you can add the integer values. Where we need to change? Here instead of string, which one we need to pass? Integer. Okay, we need to pass as a integer. Clear?
Yes.
That's it. Nothing more difference. Once done, please let me know, guys. Oh, sorry. Guys, are understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why only one response is coming? If you are not understanding, please ask, guys. Okay. Most probably two more topics. Okay. One is strings and another one is exceptions. That's it. Java. Those are enough. No need to learn many things. These are enough.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for the linked list. Okay. This is also one of the most important linked list. Both are same only, guys. Okay. Here it is dynamically, it is going to store the array. Here it is going to store the double array. Which array? Which array it is? Double array it is going to
Double
store.
array.
Yeah. Doubly linked list. Okay. It is going to store the doubly linked list. Linked list uses doubly list. Doubly linked list. Linked list to store the elements. To store the elements. Okay. It is also, it may contains the duplicate elements. Here also it may contains the duplicate elements. But here you have to ask one question. What is the difference between array list and linked list? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Both are same only. What is the use of array list and what is the use of linked list? What is the use means? Differences means, okay, here it is a dynamical array, guys. Okay, it is which array? Which array, guys? It is a
Dynamical array.
dynamic array. Okay, here which array? Doubly linked. Okay, it is doubly linked. This is the first difference. Coming to next one. What is the next one? Here the manipulation is slow. Okay, here this is some slow. Okay, here it is very fast. Okay, here it is very faster. Okay, when compared to array list, it is very faster. Okay, and coming to next one is, here it is going to store. Okay, it is going to store and manipulate is nothing but to display. Okay, manipulate the data. Okay, here only it is stored for manipulating. It is not going to store the elements in database. Okay, it is not going to store the elements in database. Here it is going to store the elements in database. Clear, guys? Yes, understanding? Okay, you no need to bother. Those all things will be taken by Java developers. Okay, you no need to bother. Just understand the concept. Guys, okay now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
See, Both are same only, guys, but here it is a dynamic array, it is a double linked list. Okay, this one is very slow when compared to linked list. This array is some bit slow. Okay, here it is faster. Okay, here it is going to store the data in database. Here it is not going to store the any value in database. Clear? Only that is the difference, nothing else. Both are same only, almost it is same. Okay, those all things. Okay, whether it is storing or not, okay, whether it is displaying or not, who will check those all things? As a Java developer, he will check. Okay, you are not going to check anything here, just you are going to see the data. Clear? You don't need to bother those all things. How to create a class? No one is responding. How to create a class?
Right click on
Try to
package,
click on the package, go to new, under new, create a class,
create a class.
and click on publish static void main and click on enter. Here previously I have used array list. Now which list I am going to use, guys?
Linked list.
Linked list. Okay, instead of array list, just type linked list, control spacebar. Are you able to see? It will automatically will import. If you just select this one, it will automatically will import this package. Okay, if you want integer values or if you want string values, based upon that one, you have to write here element. Okay, here my element is I'm going to store the string values. Okay, here any the reference equal to new linked list. New linked list. Clear? New linked list. Just control space bar, guys. This all thing automatically will come. Just type link code, it will automatically will come. Okay. How to add, guys? List dot add. This is a string value. Just add. Okay. If you want to add the name, you can add. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Just adding. Okay. List dot add of the list dot add of Uday. Like that we are going to add. Where it is stored, guys? Each and every elements, where it is stored?
In list.
In a list. Okay. Now what output will come? All four output have to come. Clear? Here duplicate elements also going to take. There also duplicate elements will take. Clear? But when compared to linked list, array list is some slow. That is one of the major difference. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You write down. Okay. Sorry. Understood. Instead of understanding, I was told like that. Tomorrow we'll discuss about strings. Okay. What is a string? What is a string buffer? What is a string builder? We'll discuss tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can ask. Is it done, guys? Hello,
Yes, sir.
any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask, guys. Not only this one, manual testing. Okay, any doubts you can ask. I will share the notes, this all things by tomorrow, Java related things. Okay, you can refer. Okay, this topics is enough, guys. Okay, two more topics is there. One is strings and second one is the exceptions. Okay, two more topics is pending. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss about string concepts. Okay, exceptions is nothing but what are the different types of exceptions, how to handle, I will explain. Clear? That's it, enough for Selenium. Okay, no need to learn more things. Is this enough? These things also we are not going to use completely. Okay, guys, understanding? Only few things only we are going to use.